everyone, and welcome to today's video. So I have been extremely so tired. I haven't really put on much makeup or done a whole lot with anything. I've been extremely busy. Thankfully, I'm considered essential, so my full-time job has been taking up all of my time. But I wanted to try to get some of these unboxings done, as I did get a couple of boxes, so I have multiple ones I need to actually edit and upload, so be prepared for all those fun build things. And so today I did get my Boxy charm, and I'm going to be honest, I have no idea which one this is. I do get Boxy base and premium. Base is $25 plus tax and premium's $35 plus tax. They did get the email notification. This might be my premium, but we are about to find out. So let's unbox this and get into it, because I have no idea. And I do know that they went to digitally sending us our cards. So I do have that pulled up on my phone, as long as my phone will go like. So if you see me looking up and down and up and down and up and down, that is what I'm doing. So let's see what this box looks like. So, okay, I still have an actual thing. This one's called Full Bloom, and it is my premium. I've got box 59. And I have a thing in here for the makeup eraser, which I did not. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Let's see. Are you excited? I'm excited. Let's see what's in it. So, let's pull it up. I'll dive in. The first thing I grabbed is by Barbie. I love this brand. And it's a honey potion renewing antioxidant hydration mask. I'm super stoked. I'm super stoked. This retails for wow, I just noticed that this doesn't really match this. Okay, so this retails for $38. I have no idea what it says. I was supposed to get something else and I didn't get it. Well, that's sad. It's kind of sad. Well, I'll contact them and find out what happened. But I'm not sad I got this. I am sad I didn't get the other thing, because that looks interesting. And it's not in here. So, yeah, I was supposed to get according to this, a Barbie palette. So I will contact them and find out why I didn't get a palette, and be like, I'm pretty sad I didn't get a palette. See if I can get a palette. But oh, look, it's got this little magnetic top. I kind of like this. Oh, I hope this smells like honey. A little bit. I do like the little bottle, though. It's all like shaped like a honeycomb, and it's got a little spatula. Oh, this will be fun. Yeah. Okay, so the next item is by Lovato, which I just got something else by them. Not this, though. This is Age Away Replenish Cream. This retails for $69, which I don't think it's exactly the same thing I got. I have to look and see. But I'm going to smell it. I want to smell it. I like smelling stuff. Anyway, this is used for, it says 11 organic plants, anti-aging. Oh, that smells really good. Oh, I did something bad. It's a Replenish Cream. I don't think you rinse those off anyway. Let's see. Let me look real quick. Okay. I can put it on my face. It doesn't rinse off, so we'll just throw it on because I got a little bit out. It just like came out. It does have a very pretty smell. So, I know, circular motions. Don't press and rub. Don't press and rub. I get it. Okay. It does smell good. It smells like lavender. No roses. It smells like roses. I don't know if roses are in here, but it does smell like that. It says grapefruit seed, Melissa, and avocado. And I'm telling you, straight up, it smells like roses. Next item. Did I say? Oh, they say that retails for $69. The next item. I'm super excited. It's a fragrance in Beached Air. Oh, this retails for $36. I have looked at this a few times in different flavors. They have stuff like they have it in like campfire, and like it's so cool, but it's by M Greengrass, and it's a dry oil spray, and it's in this flavor Beached Air. Oh, and it smells so good. Inspired by Greece. Oh, it so smells good. But I had seen them before, and I really like them, so that retail, like I said, for $36, and that smells so good. It smells like clean laundry on the line, like outside clothesline. Oh, I like it. Okay. The next item I got is by Peach and Lily. It is a pore toner, Good Acids pore toner. I'm not really sure what this is. It says it retails for $39. I am going to leave this one in the box because I don't know what a pore cleanser is, but this is what it looks like. And I'm going to see if this smells. I think this is like that thing that you put on this regular toner, like you don't rinse it off or anything. And it says it has lilac, eggplant, turmeric. I can't smell nothing but the beach air. It does have lilac. Everything smells like lilac right now, though. But I'm going to put this back in this box. It is glass, but I want to read it more to see what I do with this. And then the next item says it's by AGK, and it is a Good Behavior Protein Smoothing Spray. Ah, that smells good too. My hair always needs help, so that'll be fun. This retails for $32. And the last item in it, since I apparently didn't get a palette, is by Too Faced. It's in the color Hidden Talents. And this is a lip gloss. I do like their lip gloss. It's a rich and dazzling lip gloss that retails for $21. And I will use my nice little camera to throw some on because I do like it. I do like that it's only a hint of color. It might build up, but it's not bad. It's not bad. Overall, I'm okay, but I kind of wouldn't mind the palette. Like, don't send me something that says you're going to give me a palette and then not give me a palette. I mean, that's not cool. But, so I did look it over, and the retail value of the box is $235. I only paid $35. I got lots of fun stuff. That almost fits in one hand, well, two hands, plus a container. So, yeah, got a lot of stuff. It's a lot of fun stuff. And I'm the most excited currently for, of course, if you didn't figure it out, this item. And I'm most confused by the price of this one. $69. Literally not even the size of my hand. But and then I had another advertisement for makeup eraser, which there is a code on here. I don't know if you can see it. You just use Boxy 20. Shh, don't tell people I told you. Boxy 20 if you want to get a magic eraser at 20% off purchase at makeuperaser.com. And since I'm not monetized and I buy this myself, nobody can judge me. I do love these. I don't know why they sent me an advertisement for it in a box that didn't give me one. That said it was going to give me an eyeshadow palette, and it didn't. In fact, the only thing in makeup that I think I got in this box was this item. I'm not opposed to skincare stuff. I love skincare stuff. In fact, as you can tell, 80% of my time I spend without makeup. So, I do like lots of fragrance, lots of skincare. But I do also kind of enjoy having makeup stuff in these boxes. That is the purpose of me getting the boxes, because since I don't use it a whole lot, I don't want to go in the store and spend a whole lot. So I spend $25, $35 for a mystery box, and I get usually half and half. Skincare, half this, or a hair good of skincare and that. So I'm kind of disappointed I didn't get anything makeup-y but one item. But other than that, it's a good box. I enjoy it. I do think that my Ipsy Ultimate kicks its butt, but you can be the judge. You can look at it. I'm pretty sure I'll get it up first, so I will leave the link in the description, and you can check it out. All the links in the description are for the boxes that I have. If any of them look good, just click on the link. Some of them give me things the other half don't. So, I mean, you don't have to use my code. You can find somebody else's. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next video. I hurt your face. Bye.